Hello YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing various topics in the exciting world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Our content is crafted by our awesome human team, but here's the magic. It's finely tuned and optimized by our AI wizards, bringing you top-notch information. And guess what? The presentation is delivered to you by our AI hosts and voiced by our incredible AI avatars. Let's get started. In today's video, we will discuss about Ray. Ray is an open-source framework designed to simplify the development of distributed applications. It provides a unified API for running tasks in a distributed fashion, allowing developers to scale their Python applications across multiple machines with ease. Ray's design makes it particularly well-suited for tasks that require parallel execution, such as machine learning, data processing, and reinforcement learning. First up, let us discuss the key features of Ray. Feature 1 is distributed computing. Ray enables easy parallelization of tasks across multiple cores or machines. It abstracts away the complexity of distributed systems, allowing developers to write code as if it's running on a single machine while Ray handles the distribution. Feature 2 is fault tolerance. Ray is built with fault tolerance in mind. It ensures that if a node in a distributed system fails, the tasks that were running on that node can be recovered and redistributed across the remaining nodes. Feature 3 is scalability. Ray scales seamlessly from a single laptop to a large cluster of machines in the cloud. This makes it ideal for applications that need to handle large-scale data processing or complex machine learning models. Next, let us briefly see the ecosystem and libraries. Ray comes with a rich ecosystem of libraries tailored for different use cases. RayTune for hyperparameter tuning, RayServe for scalable model serving, RayTrain for distributed model training, RayRLib for reinforcement learning, Ray datasets for distributed data processing. Let us briefly discuss the ease of use. Ray provides simple Python APIs that allow developers to scale their applications without needing to know the intricacies of distributed computing. This ease of use lowers the barrier to entry for scaling applications. Let us now discuss the key components of Ray. First is Ray Core. Task parallelism. Ray can execute functions asynchronously as tasks in the cluster. These tasks are scheduled and executed by Ray's distributed scheduler. Actor model. Ray supports the actor model for concurrency, where actors are stateful workers that maintain their own state across multiple tasks. Actors can be used to encapsulate state for applications such as online learning models. Object store. Ray uses a shared memory object store to efficiently handle large data objects across different tasks and actors without unnecessary data copies, even across different nodes in the cluster. Next is Ray libraries. RayTune, scalable hyperparameter tuning library that allows for easy and efficient tuning of machine learning models to improve performance. RayRLib, an advanced library for reinforcement learning, supporting multiple RL algorithms, multi-agent reinforcement learning, and integration with other machine learning frameworks. RayServe, a scalable and easy-to-use model serving library built on Ray, designed to bring models to production with minimal effort. Ray Data provides simple APIs for scalable data loading, data pre-processing, and data ingestion workflows, optimized for machine learning workloads. RayTrain, a library for distributed deep learning, providing a simple API for scaling deep learning model training from a single node to large clusters. Third is Ray Cluster. Ray can be deployed on various environments, including local machines, on-premises clusters, and cloud platforms. It manages resource allocation, task scheduling, and handling failures across all these environments efficiently. Ray Dashboard provides a web-based UI for monitoring and managing Ray clusters, giving insights into resource utilization, task progress, and system logs. Finally, we have Ray APIs. Python API. Ray offers a straightforward API that fits naturally with Python code, making it easy to transform single machine code into a distributed application with minimal changes. Cross-language support. Ray also supports other programming languages like Java enabling multi-language interoperability within the same application. Let us now discuss Ray Distributed Train in detail. Ray Distributed Train is a part of Ray's ecosystem, designed to facilitate the distributed training of machine learning models. It allows developers to scale their model training across multiple GPUs and nodes with minimal code changes. How Ray Distributed Train works. Point number 1 is parallel execution. Ray Distributed Train can distribute the training process across multiple GPUs or machines. This parallel execution speeds up the training process by leveraging the computational power of multiple devices. Point number 2 is resource management. Ray efficiently manages the resources, like CPUs, GPUs, and memory, across the cluster, ensuring that the training process utilizes the available hardware optimally. Point number 3 is fault tolerance. In case of node failures, Ray can recover the training process by redistributing the workload across the remaining nodes, minimizing disruptions. Point number 4 is framework support. Ray Distributed Train is framework agnostic, meaning it can work with popular machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and others. This flexibility allows developers to use their preferred tools while still benefiting from distributed training. Point number 5 is integration with RayTune. Ray Distributed Train integrates seamlessly with RayTune, allowing developers to perform hyperparameter tuning in a distributed manner, further optimizing their models. Let us now discuss Ray Distributed Serve in detail. Ray Serve is another component of the Ray ecosystem, designed for scalable and efficient model serving. It allows you to deploy machine learning models as web services that can handle high-throughput requests with low latency. Let us see the key features of Ray Serve. Feature 1 is scalable model serving. Ray Serve can scale horizontally, meaning it can distribute the load across multiple machines or instances, making it capable of handling a large number of requests simultaneously. Feature 2 is dynamic batching. Ray Serve can dynamically batch incoming requests to optimize the utilization of resources, improving throughput and reducing latency. Feature 3 is model composition. Ray Serve allows developers to compose multiple models or business logic into a single deployment pipeline, enabling complex inference workflows where multiple models may need to be invoked in sequence or parallel. Feature 4 is autoscaling. Ray Serve can automatically scale the number of replicas, instances of your service up or down based on the incoming traffic, ensuring that the system remains responsive while also being cost-effective. Feature 5 is easy integration. Ray Serve integrates smoothly with other Ray components, such as Ray Distributed Train, allowing you to easily transition from model training to deployment without major code changes. Please refer Notebook in the description for sample code. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of AI and machine learning and algorithms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech talks and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. Until next time, happy coding and keep the curiosity alive. Thanks for watching.